Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna do unboxing of this Hupejos dash cam. This is a 4-channel dash cam where you have like 360-degree protection, and it's a modern dash cam with many additional functionalities. So I'm gonna start opening. So the very first thing I'll do is I'm gonna remove this joining tapes, okay, so that I can remove it. So I'm gonna show you. So this is after opening the first outer cover. So this is the manual. It's 360 dash cam. You can see you have front, left, right, and also back camera. And it has got, like, if I open it for you, you see that it has got like a Wi-Fi, inbuilt Wi-Fi. You can record in SD card. You can play them back. See Wi-Fi connection, and you can play them in app also. And it can be operated with voice commands. So like turn on screen, turn off screen, lock the video, take photo, video starts up. All these commands are available that will go through in other videos. So these two sticky surfaces have been given so that it can be installed right. Okay, let me see what else I have got here. Okay, so I just opened this white box. I have a suction mount. Okay, this goes in your cigarette lighter for your car. Okay, and it looks like Type-C port has been used here. And this is your back camera with long wire so that it can go all the way to back. Okay, so this is the main camera, okay, and left and right component too, and you can adjust it. So that I will show you guys once I connect it to my car. This is where it's gonna record the video, and you have this screen. Okay, now turning on here, power button, memory card, okay, and other functionalities I have here. All right, so this was for the unboxing, guys. It cost me around $180 from Amazon, and once I install, configure, I'll make videos for those also. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.